family. I thought I'd pop in to say hi. Now, if you guys watched my recent straight pours, I use these exact same colors, layered just a tiny bit different, and I just cannot get enough of this blend. And I'm definitely using it in my next marble pour, these exact colors. And it just blends so beautiful. I mean, you can see some marbling throughout here, just as you could in the other one. Again, no flow-chol or anything in my paints. Just Liquitex Gloss Pouring Medium, water to thin. Those are my norms. If I don't tell you guys and it's not listed, that is my usual. Okay, pouring mediums and almost always water. But again, gorgeous variations of cells. I've got some gorgeous lacing. I've got some small cells, some larger cells, like here. And the way that they stretch out with this color palette and the brands of paint, and again, I'll say it again, all of that matters, is just absolutely gorgeous. I just love all of the cells, where they're at, not too many. And again, all in the right place. The blend is stunning. The depth is beautiful as well. Look at that, just gorgeous. And anytime I end up mixing that yellow in with the gold and use the obsidian, this color palette period, it always gets some beautiful depth in that. I got a few teeth right there. I absolutely love how I just see so many different things. It's so fun. And once again, I just want to remind you guys that you don't need to use Amsterdam or get a bunch of different products in order to get cells. If you have the right density and you use the right brand of colors, you will get natural cells. And I think natural cells are way more beautiful. There's so much more variation to them. But anyways, guys, stay safe, stay healthy. This was just a quickie, and I will see you all in the next one.